Hey everybody, Mark here, and I'm bringing to you live a question from one of my students this morning. So we had these two words in our lesson. We had both and neither, right? And we said, oh yeah, both, right? Both of them. Okay, two people, both of them love ice cream. Both of them study English at United Language Center. Both of them, So for both, right? Both we're talking about two people. So we like to use words like them, both of them. And then we use a plural verb, right? They like. Both of them like. So the feeling's like they, right? The two of them, they, both of them like. And any verb is okay. Remember, like, love, study, no S, right? We'll do both of them with our plural. But then neither, this is where it gets confusing for some people, right? You're like, oh, neither, same thing. It says neither of them, neither of them. And then I have to choose. Is it neither of them like or neither of them likes? Do you know? Well, luckily, both of you are right. Like is okay. Like is okay. And likes is okay. So that's why even for me, I'm like, which one was it? I forgot, right? But for neither, we can use either the plural, the like, or singular. We can add the S. Neither of them likes. Both are okay. So that's my very, very short explanation for you guys of our both and neither, right? You can think, you and your best friend, do both of you like chicken rice? Or neither of you likes chicken rice, right? Think about that. Tell me below, comment, subscribe. I will see you next time.